Alright, so what's going on YouTube? I know in the previous video I uploaded I said that I was getting a new exhaust pipe, Bud Racing, and that I do some sound clips on it, but finally got the pipes today. Came all the way from California. I live in Ohio, so it took me a couple days to get it, but I'll show a little sneak peek of it, but you only see it for a second. But anyways, here is my FMF. The shorty is not that bad. It really doesn't need replaced, but I figured I'd get the full system just to do it. But here's the big dent and everything, so I'll get a sound clip of the FMF, put the Bud on, and yeah, so let's get some sound clips. Alright, so just got the pipe on. It was a little weird, you have to fit it yourself, but I think I figured it out. Fits in there pretty good, it doesn't rub on anything, but I think it'll be a lot better. My other one hit right here, this little gap in the radiator. The other one was freaking rubbing on the radiator and made like a little makeshift strap because the CRs are bad for hitting on the exhaust, so didn't want to scuff up the new one, so zip tie will hold it up. But get some sound clips of this. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I got graduation this weekend. Don't know, probably won't end up riding next weekend. Probably end up riding, but that's probably all I'll get for now. Probably in 2 weeks I'll have another video, but it's not good content for right now. But so yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.